Now from Wasserstein, the 3-in-1 floodlight, camera charger, and mount for your Wyze cam. Eliminate difficult-to-see security footage recorded in night vision mode with crystal clear nighttime security cam footage in full color. For optimized recordings, your camera mounts directly onto the floodlight and is powered by a weather-sealed charging cable. An outdoor case and cable for Wyze cam is included. The floodlight's quick trigger time ensures the cam records in bright, clear colors even at night. The two floodlight heads are also independently adjustable, giving you great flexibility over the area you need to illuminate. The floodlight is rugged and waterproof to survive all climates. Replace your old floodlight with this 3-in-1 floodlight with camera mount and charger, and is available in black as well as white. Enjoy added nighttime security with Wasserstein's floodlight setup for your Wyze cam.